In a world where uncertainties loom large, being prepared is not just wise, it's essential. When a crisis strikes, whether stemming from natural disasters or economic turmoil, essential supplies vanish from store shelves in the blink of an eye. Today, we delve into the 10 critical items you'll want to stockpile before disaster hits. Firstly, let's talk about food. The lifeline in any crisis, non-perishable foods such as canned goods, pasta, rice, and freeze-dried meals are the first to go. Focus on shelf-stable staples. Think canned beans, vegetables, and meats like tuna or chicken. Where should you buy? Bulk purchase from warehouse stores or grab deals online. Keep them stored in a cool, dry place. Water, the essence of life, becomes a desperate need when clean supplies are compromised. Invest in portable water filters or purification tablets. A Sawyer Mini or a Life Straw can be lifesavers in uncertain waters. Buy them online or at outdoor stores and store them in a dry place, keeping tablets in waterproof containers. When it comes to health, having robust medical supplies can mean the difference between life and disaster. Pharmacies empty quickly, so build a first aid kit packed with essentials, bandages, antiseptic wipes, and over-the-counter meds. Remember, preparation here could be a lifesaver. Crises also often bring power outages, making batteries and alternative lighting critical. Stock up on various battery sizes, rechargeable options if possible, and don't forget a solar charger. Flashlights, headlamps, and lanterns become indispensable. Let's not overlook fuel. Essential for generators and cooking, gasoline and propane run scarce rapidly. Buy in advance and ensure you store it safely. Stability is key, so investing in a fuel stabilizer is recommended. Equally important are hygiene products. Soap, toilet paper, and feminine products are snapped up fast. Buy in bulk where possible and store them in a dry, accessible spot to avoid chaos in the crunch. Tools for home repairs, whether fixing damage or building shelters, become incredibly valuable. Stock multi-tools, hammers, tarps, and a reliable knife. The right tools can aid you in weathering numerous challenges. For cooking, when power is down, consider propane stoves and manual can openers as essential items. Ensure you have fuel canisters ready and store them in a ventilated area. And lastly, don't forget warmth. Cold can swiftly become an adversary. Stockpile warm clothing, blankets, and compact mylar blankets for those unpredictable cold snaps. Preparing isn't just for peace of mind. It's a necessity in maintaining your well-being and those you cherish when the unexpected becomes reality. Begin with simple steps. Add an item or two during regular shopping trips. With each purchase, each stored can or packet, you're not just stockpiling goods, you're banking safety, security, and assurance for the future.